Is your phone dying too fast, overheating, or refusing to charge? Smartphone battery problems can be a real headache, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 common battery issues and simple fixes to keep your phone powered up. Stick around to save your battery and your sanity. Hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Problem number 1, background apps sucking your battery dry. Apps, like social media or games, can run in the background, eating up power even when you're not using them. To fix this, go to your phone's settings and check the battery usage section. On iPhone, it's under Settings, Battery. On Android, try Settings, Battery, Battery Usage. Identify apps using the most power and force close them. You can also enable battery saver mode to limit background activity. This quick tweak can add hours to your battery life. Problem 2, an old or degraded battery. After a year or two, your phone's battery loses capacity, leading to faster draining. To check its health, iPhone users can go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health to see the maximum capacity. Android users can use apps like AccuBattery from the Play Store. If your battery is below 80%, it's time to consider a replacement. Until then, avoid extreme temperatures and charge between 20% and 80% to slow degradation. This helps your battery last longer. Problem 3, a faulty charging cable or adapter. If your phone isn't charging properly or charges slowly, the issue might be your cable or charger. Inspect your cable for frayed ends or bent pins. Try a different charger or cable. Borrow one from a friend or family member to test. Make sure the charging port is clean. Use a toothpick or compressed air to remove dust. Switching to a high-quality certified charger can solve this issue and keep your battery healthy. Problem 4, high screen brightness and power-hungry settings. Your screen is one of the biggest battery drains, especially at full brightness. To fix this, lower the brightness manually or enable auto brightness in the settings under Display. Also, turn off features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or GPS when you don't need them. On Android, check Settings, Connections. On iPhone, use the Control Center. Shortening the screen timeout to 30 seconds can also save power. These small changes can make a big difference. Problem 5, your phone overheating, which stresses the battery. Overheating often happens during heavy tasks like gaming, streaming, or charging in a hot car. To fix this, avoid using your phone while it's charging and remove any thick case that traps heat. If your phone feels hot, close all apps and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it out of direct sunlight and avoid charging to 100% in warm conditions. These steps protect your battery and prevent long-term damage. To keep your battery in top shape, here's 2 bonus tips. First, use low power mode when your battery is below 20%. It's in settings on both iPhone and Android. Second, update your phone's software regularly to fix battery draining bugs. Go to Settings, System, Software Update to check for updates. These habits will extend your battery's lifespan and keep your phone running smoothly for years. There you go, 5 common smartphone battery problems. Fixed! Your phone should now last longer and charge better. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech hacks.